rescue when he was like 2 years old. The only way we could convince him to come on a train with us was he had this quack quack duck on the stick, and he would go back and forth and back and forth the whole 3 hours. Not everybody loved him.
Are you sure?
No.
Everybody loved him?
But they did too.
Like this. It's right. Like young kids.
Every time I start playing them on my little kindergarten kids that they're so cute. There's a few of them.
Paperi. Järgmine peatus. Keskturg.
I don't work with them, okay? Jokes.
Yeah, just not
Does he still do that? Does he still do that?
Yes, I used to say to him, hey, I just love them, just kind of guy. Oh, he hurts Giannis. No, but he was not a good person. So I had to leave him off. I really loved him as a friend. So, but by respect,
What happened to him?
respect towards Yana, I had to treat him as a friend. Yes. And she plays with her emotions. He reduced her to me. He said to her, she was not so beautiful. You know, like she had a strange, weird face. I mean, like their responses is like, wow.
You're not face. That's how I know.
Keskturg. Järgmine peatus. Bussijaam.
But thanks God, she found me.
Is he?
Who's the older?
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to understand what's thinking about.
All I think about trips with you. So the grandparents, you know, how many great neighbors. But it's cheaper than you can do now, but still. I tried to negotiate. I tried to call you, but it didn't work. I wanted, they were okay to pay me the ticket if I stayed, for example, 2 weeks, but I said whatever. I said for Yana, if I go to her wedding, I'm going to stay more with the same. No, we're not going to wait 3 days. Yes, fair enough. Fair enough.
Not coming. Not coming. Sorry.
But Yana was so sad. She didn't have a lot of friends from Papa. I know that she's resentful.
I have a friend who, her older sister moved to Miami for a year or two, and her boyfriend was working on his my pilot to go to jail. She ended up coming back with her children. Her friend who visited her in Mexico there married into all white in another family. She had nobody from the side. Her mom and wife. It's like really different. It's the very
Bussijaam. Järgmine peatus. Lubja.
She doesn't have time for him.
I know.
Well, it's not fair.
It's difficult.
No, it's not fair, but I'm sorry. It's your choice. I didn't want my friend who has just had a baby. She asked me to visit her.
Wait a minute.
Raina.
It's not my
lubja, järgmine peatus Majaka. Majaka, järgmine peatus Sikupilli. Sikupilli, järgmine peatus Majaka Põik. Põik. Järgmine peatus Ülemiste jaam. Ülemiste jaam. Järgmine peatus Ülemiste linnak. Ülemiste linnak. Järgmine peatus lennujaam.